Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Nanami Misaki. Code ADN475. Released on July 4, 2023. And it has 110 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and the store manager. The girl was unhappy with her marriage and they are on the edge of getting a divorce. So to ease her mind, the girl went to a convenience store. So the girl grabs some item and walks out of the store without paying. However, the girl got caught. So instead of reporting the girl to the authorities, the store manager had an idea. The girl will be the guy playtime until the guy satisfies his needs. And the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.